The play of a beginner is planless because he has too many plans, and the capacity for subordinating all his combinations to one leading idea is non-existent. At first, the pawns are pushed forward frantically because there is no appreciation of the power and value of the pieces. He has a great liking for the queen and the knight, the former because of a tremendous mobility, the latter on account of his peculiar step, which seems particularly adapted to take the enemy by surprise. When watching beginners, you will frequently observe numberless moves by a peripatetic queen and reckless incursions by a knight into the enemy's camp. It is hopeless to try to memorize the various openings which analysis have proved correct, for this empirical method fails as soon as the opponent swerves from the recognized lines of play. Download a copy of the vocabulary guide by clicking on the link in the description below.